Well guys, do I look tired? I should do. It's 3 AM, I'm in the unit at the moment, and basically I'm here because we've got issues with the drains again. We've had nothing but issues in this unit, and there's meant to be some drainage engineers arriving, so we'll see what happens. I'm doing the large eyelid tops this morning, so I've just sat and programmed them up, so let me go show you those. Right, so here she is on there, and I've set up all the program bits and pieces with this. So basically, oh, I forgot the other way. There we go. So basically, we're going to machine it all from this end, and then on the sub spindle, we're going to come in and do these slots, and then do a chamfer mill around the edges. So I need to go see what we've got going on in here. I put this on running spike tops this morning, so let's change this to memory. Just literally just parting off some bits and pieces there. Work counter's up anyway, so but we've got a nice little counter scenario on here. Let me just see if I can, there we go, follow, no, we don't want to follow. Yes, we've got our work counter up at the moment, so we're about to finish on those parts. There's 97 of 100. So we're nearly there with that. I just wanted to see what was on there. So I think what we're going to have an issue with, I'm really going to see this or not, is there's the U-drill that's down there. Can't really see it. It's quite short. Yeah, so it's quite short basically, and we need to make sure that not going to be an issue. So I'm going to open this up and actually we'll measure it and see, but basically I think it's 37 mil. It's really awkward doing this one-handed. 37 mil is up to the shoulder. We've only really got less than that really. 35 I would have said. So I'm either going to need to change that drill or change my strategy. I think I have to change the drill. So let me see if I can find another drill. So I'll let these carry on running while I'm looking, and I'll need to change this tool for the 4mm M mil. Not bad for first go, not quite perfect, but almost. So there's the general idea of the assembly of it at the moment. So we just got to see how this lens fits, and then powder coat this and do a final assembly on it, and hopefully that comes out alright. And that would sit flush in the wall with a deep baffled reflector, so that we're getting like no very little glare out of that, trying to reduce as much upward as possible. Right, I've just been given this by Pat, so it's a powder coated in NATO green, and you can see we've got the lens in there. You can see it's sitting flush. There's a tiny little pip on the front of it, which we've just got to deal with that y-axis issue for the lenses. But as a prototype, that is absolutely wonderful. The only downside is, so if I go in that way, the 18 by 2mm O-rings I bought, which are these, just don't fit, just don't get past the thread, etc. So I need to have another look at O-ring fit again in a design and see what I can do there, and whether or not I need to alter the design of the lens or what I need to do. I have to be really mindful of the fact that you see how close the edges are. You'd see the O-ring, so we have to be a bit careful there. We want it to be black. I know we can order silicone in black. I've just been handed a nice little black one, so you can kind of see what that looks like. And these are just prototypes, by the way, so ignoring the slight defect there in there. But anyway, they look really nice. I really like them. So we've got to do an assembly on them, but I've got to redesign that little lens in there, and we'll see how that comes together. So I'll do that in the next video. Thanks guys.